Get ready to train with your new Forerunner 970 Premium Running and Triathlon Smartwatch. Let's get started so you can push your limits and perform at your best. Begin by turning on your Forerunner 970 by pressing and holding the light button. Swipe up or down and tap to select your language preference. Select the check mark to begin the pairing process. Then scan the QR code with your compatible smartphone's camera. For existing customers, scanning this code will open the device search screen in the Garmin Connect smartphone application. For new customers, scanning this code will direct you to download the Garmin Connect smartphone application. Now, open the app, then sign in or create an account. Agree to the EULA and select Next. Finally, enter your account credentials. Select Connect It once the Garmin Connect app finds your device. Your Forerunner 970 will display a 6-digit Bluetooth pairing code. Confirm the code matches in the Garmin Connect app and tap Pair. Follow the instructions to complete the initial setup and to sync your user profile and recent activity data. The app will also help you customize device settings and set up features such as a Wi-Fi connection, Garmin Pay, and even fully customized activity profiles. Next, let's look at how to use your Forerunner 970. The light button brings up your display brightness. Double tapping this button will enable the flashlight. When you turn on the flashlight, you can adjust the brightness or change the light to red. Hold the light button to access the controls menu. Here, you can lock the watch, trigger assistance, access the Garmin Pay wallet, and more. The up and down buttons help you navigate through widget glances, menus, and data screens. Hold the up button to open the menu. Here, you can customize the watch face, set alarms, view activity history, and access general watch settings. Press the up or down buttons or use the touchscreen to scroll through this menu. From the watch face, press the down button or swipe up to see the widget glances loop. You'll see last run stats, running performance, training status, and more. Tap a glance or press the Start/Stop button to see more detailed data. You can swipe or press the up or down buttons for additional pages of data. Swipe right to exit the glance. To add additional glances, scroll to the end of your glance list and select Edit. Next, select Add. Then select a glance to add it. Hold the down button for quick access to the music player. You can customize this shortcut or add more shortcuts through the watch settings menu. From the watch face, swipe down or press the up button to access the notification center. This includes notifications from your paired smartphone and watch. Tap a notification to view more details or swipe left to dismiss and clear it. The Start/Stop button shows your activity and apps list. Scroll down to see your apps, including workouts, phone assistants, voice command, and more. The voice command and phone assistant features use the built-in speaker and microphone. See our voice features video for more information. The back button lets you return to the previous screen. In a timed activity, it will also mark a lap. When you're ready to start an activity, press the Start/Stop button. Out of the box, the Run activity is pinned at the top of the list. You can pin up to 3 activities. To see additional activities and customize your favorites, select the On-Screen Activities button. Find your activity and press the Start/Stop button to select it. For most activities, the touchscreen will lock after several seconds of no interaction. To unlock it, tap the screen, then swipe down on the lock icon. The screen will lock again after several seconds of no interaction. Press the up button or swipe from the top of the screen for quick access to connect a sensor, enable LiveTrack, and more. Press the down button to view your workout for the day, training options, activity settings, general watch settings, and to navigate to data screens. Press the back button to return to your activity page. For outdoor activities, wait until you have acquired a GPS signal. Then press the Start/Stop button to begin. For indoor activities, you won't need to wait for a GPS signal to begin. During an activity, you can press down to see more data fields such as lap information or the time of day. After completing your run and stopping the timer, you can resume, save, discard, or select one of the other options. When you save the activity, you'll see summary information and stats about the run and your performance.
In this video, we'll show you how to set up a Wi-Fi connection on your Forerunner 970 smartwatch. With a Wi-Fi connection, you can upload your data to the Garmin Connect community without being connected to your compatible smartphone, load music from compatible music providers, and update device software and features. There are two ways to set up a Wi-Fi connection. We will show you how from your watch and using the Garmin Connect smartphone application. To complete either process, you will need to have your smartwatch connected to the Garmin Connect app. For help pairing your device, see our Getting Started video. To set up a Wi-Fi connection directly on your Forerunner 970, you will need to be near your Wi-Fi router. Then press and hold the Up menu button. Scroll down and select Watch Settings. Then scroll down and select Connectivity, followed by Wi-Fi. Scroll down and select My Networks, followed by Search for Networks. Your watch will then begin searching for nearby networks. Select the network you would like to connect to. If prompted, enter the network password. You can even use the Garmin Connect app as a keyboard to easily enter the password. A connection successful message will display. Your Forerunner 970 smartwatch is now connected to your Wi-Fi network. We will now show you how to set up a Wi-Fi connection using the Garmin Connect smartphone application. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but the instructions are the same on Android smartphones. Start by opening the Garmin Connect app. Then select More to access the menu. Scroll down and select Garmin Devices. Select your Forerunner 970. Then select Connectivity, followed by Wi-Fi. Select My Networks. Then select Add a Network. Your watch will then start looking for nearby networks. Select your preferred network from the list. If prompted, enter the password. Select Add. Then select Connect. A successfully connected message will display. Your watch is now connected to your Wi-Fi network.
In this video, we will show you how to customize the controls and shortcuts on your Garmin Forerunner 970 smartwatch. Controls allow you to quickly access many of the commonly used tools such as Assistants, Garmin Pay Wallet, Flashlight, and more. Press and hold the light button in the upper left to access the controls on your watch. Here, you can see the default control options. Press and hold the Up button to access the Controls menu. To add a new control, select Add Controls. Use the Up and Down buttons to scroll through the options. Then, use the Start/Stop button to make a selection. Press the Back button 2 times to get back to your controls. Use the Up and Down buttons to view your new controls. Press the Start/Stop button to access or enable the control. To reorder controls, press and hold the Up menu button. Then, scroll down and select Reorder Controls. Select the control you would like to reorder using the Start/Stop button. Then, use the Up and Down button to change its position in the list. Press the Start/Stop button to confirm the position change. Finally, press the Back button. If you would like to remove an option from your controls list, scroll down and select Remove Controls. Use the Up and Down buttons to scroll through the controls and press the Start/Stop button to select a control to remove it. When you're done removing controls, press the back button 2 times to get back to the controls. You can now customize the controls list on your watch. Next, we will show you how to customize the shortcuts on your watch. From the watch face, press and hold the up menu button to access the menu. Scroll down and select Watch Settings, followed by System. Then select Shortcuts. Scroll through the shortcuts combinations and select one to customize. We will be customizing the Start plus Down shortcut. Then select an option to assign to that shortcut. Options include alarm clock, broadcasting heart rate, or locking, unlocking keys. Press the Start/Stop button to select and assign that shortcut. Repeat these steps to assign more shortcuts. When you are done assigning shortcuts, press the back button 3 times to get back to the watch face. To use your shortcut, simply hold the button combination. In this video, we will show you how to customize the data screens on your Forerunner 970 smartwatch in the Garmin Connect smartphone application and directly on the device. We will start by customizing the data screens in the Garmin Connect smartphone application using Garmin's real-time settings sync. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but instructions are the same on Android smartphones. Begin by opening the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Select More in the bottom right to access the menu. Scroll down and select Garmin Devices, followed by your Forerunner 970 smartwatch. Then, swipe up and select Activities, followed by the activity you would like to customize. For this video, we will customize the Run profile. Touch Data Screens, then touch the screen that you would like to customize. To adjust the data screen layout, touch Layout. You can select between 1 and 8 data fields per screen and select one of the data field orientation options. Once you have selected the layout, touch a data field you would like to customize, followed by a data field category. Then select the data field that you want to display. Once you have selected a data field, you can continue to customize this data screen or touch the back arrow when you are done with your edits. You can repeat these steps to customize other data screens, or press the back arrow until you exit the device settings in the app. You can now customize the data screens on your Forerunner 970 smartwatch using the Garmin Connect smartphone application. Now we will show you how to customize the data screens directly on the watch. You can customize the data fields on each activity profile. Begin by pressing the Start/Stop button. Select the profile that you would like to edit. For this video, we'll be using the Run profile. Scroll down and select Run Settings. The name here may vary depending on which profile you have selected. Now select Data Screens. Press the up or down buttons or use the touch screen to scroll through the data screens. Select the one you would like to edit. You can change the data fields and rearrange the layout. To do this, simply select Layout. Here you can choose the number of data fields that will display as well as the position. You can choose from 1 to 8 data fields. Press the Start/Stop button to confirm the layout. Now that you've chosen the number of data fields to display, you can customize the data fields. Scroll down and select Data Fields. Use the up and down buttons to scroll over the data fields. Press the Start/Stop button to select one. Then scroll through a list of data field categories. Select a category by pressing the Start/Stop button. Then scroll through the category options. Press the Start/Stop button to make your selection. Repeat these steps to customize each data screen. Once you have perfected your data fields, press the back button to return to the activity profile.
In this video, we'll show you how to adjust the language settings on a Forerunner 970 smartwatch if your watch is in the wrong language. Start by pressing and holding the up menu button. Then scroll down to the last item on the list. This is Watch Settings. Press the Start/Stop button to select it. Then scroll down to the last item on the list. This is the System Settings. Press the Start/Stop button to select it. Scroll down and select the 7th option. This is the language setting. Press the Start/Stop button to access this menu. Press the up and down buttons to scroll through the language options. Finally, select your preferred language.
With the Forerunner 970 smartwatch, you have the perfect tool to help you outshine your competition. For more information on using your smartwatch, subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching!